wondered how to generate an electronic bank realization certificate or EBRC from the DGFT portal? Well, you're in the right place. The EBRC is a crucial document for exporters, serving as proof of realization of payment against exports. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade or DGFT has made it easier for exporters by enabling self-generation of EBRCs right from their portal. This not only streamlines the process but also makes it more accessible and convenient for you as an exporter. The DGFT portal is your one-stop shop for all things related to foreign trade in India, including the generation of EBRCs. It's designed to be user-friendly and comprehensive, ensuring that you have all the tools you need to successfully engage in foreign trade. So, are you ready to learn how to generate your own EBRC? Let's dive into the step-by-step process for generating EBRCs from the DGFT portal. Now, let's get you started on the process. First, head over to the DGFT website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Services section. Here, you'll find various options, one of which is EBRC. That's your destination. Click on EBRC and you will be prompted to enter the necessary export details. This includes shipping bill details, invoice details, purpose code, and bank details. Take your time and ensure you fill in each detail accurately. Next, you'll need to add your invoice reference numbers or IRMs. You can add multiple IRMs corresponding to your export transactions. But remember, IRMs of the same currency need to be clubbed together, so ensure you adhere to this rule. The next step revolves around purpose code compatibility. Check the purpose code SS associated with your export transaction SS and confirm they comply with the guidelines provided by DGFT. This is an important step to avoid any complications down the line. For transactions having the purpose code POA 103, you need to ensure that the shipping bill date or invoice date is greater than or equal to the remittance date. Double check this detail before moving forward. Once you've verified all the details, it's time to generate the EBRC. Click on Generate and voila! Your EBRC is created. But we're not done just yet. Before you sign off, review the generated EBRC for accuracy and completeness. Check every detail, every digit. Once you're satisfied, download the EBRC for your records and further use. And there you have it, your EBRC is generated and ready for review and download. Just remember, the process might seem complex at first, but with careful attention to detail and adherence to the guidelines, it becomes a breeze. So, take a deep breath, follow the process, and you'll be generating your own EBRCs from the DGFT portal in no time. Eis Torte ein Santi. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some general guidelines to keep in mind while generating your EBRC. You can add multiple invoice reference numbers or IRMs, but remember to club together those of the same currency. Also, be sure to check for compliance with purpose code restrictions. For instance, P0101 and P0108 cannot be used. If you're dealing with transactions under purpose code P0103, make sure that your shipping bill date or invoice date is equal to or greater than the remittance date. Finally, specific purpose codes are applicable for services greater than IT. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure accurate and compliant generation of your EBRCs. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to generating your EBRCs from the DGFT portal. Remember, this process is crucial for export transactions, ensuring accuracy and compliance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Until next time, happy exporting